Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the top 5 best 12 by 16 foot gazebos on the market. A gazebo is a great outdoor structure that provides shelter from the sun and rain. The 12 by 16 size is perfect for larger backyards, giving you plenty of space to entertain guests or simply relax outside. In researching different options, I looked at factors like build quality, durability, ease of assembly, and of course, overall design appeal. All the gazebos I've selected today are hardtop models, meaning they have a sturdy overhead roof structure instead of just a canopy. I'll provide links in the description box below for each gazebo so you can check them out in more detail. Taking the top spot on our list of the best 12 by 16 gazebos is the Gotland 2024 hardtop gazebo with its 12 by 16 foot frame. Constructed from sturdy metal, it offers impressive resistance to fading and rust, ensuring longevity. The innovative double-layer roof design provides excellent ventilation, cooling, and wind speed reduction, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Its expansive 12 by 16 foot size comfortably accommodates 12 to 14 people. Perfect for parties, barbecues, or daily relaxation. The dual curtain system, featuring net curtains for ventilation and privacy curtains for UV protection, adds versatility and comfort. Assembly is straightforward, with provided tools and clear instructions, although it's best done with 3 to 4 people. The gazebo's aesthetic appeal is enhanced by its khaki color, blending seamlessly with garden and patio settings. Additionally, its reinforced structure with a triangular support system and widened columns ensures stability on uneven ground. With flexible financing options and available protection plans, this gazebo is a smart investment for any outdoor space. Customer reviews highlight its quality and ease of assembly, making the Gotland 2024 gazebo a top choice for outdoor living. In second position is the Purple Leaf Permanent Hardtop Gazebo. Known for its sturdy construction and lavish design, it offers unmatched durability with its dual-layer galvanized steel roof, capable of withstanding 2,500 pounds of snow. The modern aluminum and alloy steel frame ensures stability, even in winds up to 40 miles per hour. This gazebo not only provides robust weather resistance, but also features water gutters to effectively manage rainwater. The upgraded yarn-dyed polyester curtains and adjustable netting offer both privacy and versatility, maintaining color fastness for up to 2 years. Additionally, the included 24 LED hanging string lights create a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for any outdoor gathering. The high-quality materials and thoughtful design details, such as hooks for hanging accessories and pre-drilled bases for easy anchoring, further enhance its functionality. While assembly can be time-consuming, the clear instructions simplify the process. With a 5-year warranty on the roof and excellent customer reviews highlighting its resilience and aesthetic appeal, the Purple Leaf Gazebo is a top choice for transforming any backyard or patio into a luxurious outdoor living space. Holding down the third-place ranking is the Aoxun Hardtop Gazebo, coming highly recommended for its spacious 12 by 16 foot covered area. Its durable, powder-coated galvanized steel top ensures long-lasting protection against rust and corrosion. The efficient water gutter design prevents rainwater buildup. The double-layered roof enhances airflow and blocks harmful UV rays, while the sloped roof allows rainwater to slide off effortlessly. With a solid aluminum frame and a triangle structure, this gazebo offers exceptional stability and can withstand wind speeds up to 73 miles per hour. It also provides excellent UV protection. The included 180G polyester curtains offer privacy and warmth, while the netting keeps out mosquitoes. The spacious design accommodates 5 to 8 people, making it ideal for backyard gatherings, patio parties, or any outdoor activities. Customer reviews highlight its sturdiness, stability, and ease of assembly, making it a top contender in the market. Additionally, the hooks for hanging fans and lights add versatility. With a competitive price of $1,459.99 and free delivery, the Aoxun Gazebo combines style, functionality, and value, solidifying its position as the best 12 by 16 gazebo for enhancing outdoor living spaces. At number 4, we have the GAZEBEST Hardtop model, delivering impressive durability features to withstand various weather conditions. Featuring a dual-layer galvanized steel roof, it ensures superior protection against UV rays, strong winds, and heavy snow, making it ideal for all weather conditions. The rust-proof aluminum frame is both sturdy and durable, promising longevity with its powder-coated finish. Users appreciate the functional drainage system, which efficiently channels rainwater away, reducing load stress. The gazebo's dual-track system with thick curtains and zippered mosquito nets offers a comfortable and bug-free outdoor oasis. Moreover, its spacious 192 square feet coverage accommodates up to 10 people, perfect for outdoor parties and gatherings. Installation, although time-consuming, is straightforward with clear instructions and necessary hardware included. Customer reviews highlight its stability and value for money, underscoring its ease of assembly despite its large size. Overall, the GAZEBEST gazebo combines durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, making it a top choice for enhancing any backyard, patio, or garden space. And rounding off our top 5 in 5th place is the Yoleny Hardtop Gazebo. Applauded for its elegant look blended with functional shelter. Its robust galvanized steel roof is durable, handling heavy snow and strong winds with ease. The ventilated double tops offer excellent UV protection while allowing air circulation. This design keeps the area cool and comfortable. Its rust-proof aluminum frame ensures long-lasting stability and resistance to deformation. The included curtains and netting provide privacy and protection from insects, making it versatile for various occasions. Additionally, the unique eaves drainage system efficiently directs rainwater away, maintaining the gazebo in top condition. Customers appreciate its stability, sturdiness, and value for money. Although assembly might be challenging, the end result justifies the effort. With a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, it's clear this gazebo meets high standards. Its sleek design and functional features make it a top choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish outdoor structure. This gazebo combines practicality and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent investment for gardens, patios, and lawns. Overall, the Yoleny Hardtop Gazebo is an outstanding option, offering superior quality and performance. Well, that wraps up my review of the top 5 best 12x16 gazebos on the market. I hope this video gave you a good overview of the different options available and helped you determine which one might be the best fit for your needs and backyard space. Be sure to check out the links in the description if any of these 5 gazebos pique your interest. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more outdoor living product reviews and DIY projects. Thanks as always for watching, and enjoy spending more quality time outdoors in your new gazebo this summer. I'll see you in the next video.